Hello everyone, welcome to the How to channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how we are going to be able to delete and remove all likes on Instagram. In this case, it's something that's possible, but at the same to complicated. What is that we're going to have to do? We're going to have to open the Instagram application. Once the application is open, we are going to have to go to your profile. In your profile, we're going to have whatever your profile is where we are going to have at the top right the three options that we are going to be able to see next. We click here and it's open for use the configuration and activity section. For us to be able to delete the activity, we are going to have to go to the section of the your activity. Also, in your activity, we have some option like comment repos. That's it's easy. In this case, we want to delay specifically the likes. We are going to click here on the section of live and we are going to click on the select. We can go selecting, and here we're going to click on no longer likes, which is located at the bottom of the screen. In this way, we are going to click on the no longer like, and this is no longer going to operate in your activity. Logically, the people who see that we have given a like or certain post, well, it is not no longer going to appear to them. And well, that will be all.